Good day, students. This is your teacher, Sarah Shakil, and I welcome you in your social studies class. And today our topic is Industries of Pakistan. And this is part 1, and we have taken this from the geography. Let's see what is geography. It is a field of science devoted to the study of the lands, features, inhabitants, and the phenomena of the earth and the planets. What is industry? Industry is a word used to describe everything associated with the production of goods and services. Industry refers to everything connected to the production of goods and services. Here is another definition of industry: economic activity concerned with the processing of raw materials and manufacture of goods in factories. What are goods and services? Goods and services are valuable and are exchanged of money. Here you can see picture of goods. The goods which are produced in the factory, and the people are getting money in exchange of goods when they are selling goods in the market, and then some of the services, and same for the services. What every work you do, you are getting money in exchange of goods and services, so they are valuable. Industries of Pakistan. There are many industries in Pakistan like cotton, jute, wool, silk, rayon, sugar. You know cotton, kapas. Have you seen cotton plant? आप में से किसी ने देखा है cotton plant? बहुत प्यारा, बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है. Maybe some of you have seen it. What is jute? Jute, this is jute. सुतली कहते हैं इसे, और इससे चारपाई भी बनाई जाती है और रस्सी भी होती है, जूट से बनी होती है. वूल, वूल इज अ ऊन, जिससे हम सर्दियों में स्वेटर वगैरह पहनते हैं. सिल्क, सिल्क से कपड़े बनाए जाते हैं. रेयन, इट्स अ फाइबर यूज फॉर क्लॉथिंग. यू कैन सी दिस इज अ फाइबर यूज फॉर क्लॉथिंग. क्लोथिंग एंड शुगर, शुगर यानी चीनी. Vegetable ghee, cement, fertilizers, chemicals. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers क्या हैं? केमियाई खाद. It is used for making soil more fertile. Major industries of Pakistan and their location. Students, this map I have taken from the book. You can check this, and I will give you one activity. You can see there are some symbols: cotton, jute, wool, and everything is written here. And same like this cotton, ferozi or light blue square. You can see many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I think they are 29, 28 or 29. So you have to write in front of them 29. Okay? आपने इनके सामने लिखना है. फिर आप जूट को काउंट करेंगे. ऑरेंज ट्रायंगल जितने भी होंगे आपने यहाँ उसका एक नंबर लिखना है. दिस इज एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. ओके, देयर आर ओनली 3 इंडस्ट्रीज इन कोयटा and many industries in other part of the Pakistan. Let's see another slide. Pakistan has all resources for being an industrialized nation as well as being an agricultural nation, as a blessing that most countries don't have. खुदा का शुक्र करते हैं कि पाकिस्तान के पास बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स हैं, बहुत सारे एग्रीकल्चर का सारा प्रोसेस है जो सब करते हैं. बहुत सारे मिनरल्स हैं. पाकिस्तान के पास चारों सीजन्स हैं जो कि बहुत कम कंट्रीज़ में होते हैं. सो वी कैन से वी आर ब्लेस्ड. Types of industries. Industries can be divided into three broad groups. Primary industries, secondary industries, tertiary industries. Primary industries involve getting raw materials. Secondary industry involves manufacturing. Tertiary means third, provide a services. Primary industry. Another words we can say extractive industries. Natural resources are obtained from earth and produce goods either directly for the market or for other industries. Agriculture, mining and the extraction of the mineral ores are primary industries. Primary industries such as mining, agriculture or forestry that is concerned with obtaining or providing natural raw materials for conversion into commodities and products for the consumer. It also deals with the reproduction of plant and breeding animals. Commodities are the articles or goods or objects you can say, and consumer means customer or purchaser, like we are the purchaser or consumers. In primary industries we read about mineral ores. So let's see what are mineral ores. Ore is a natural rock or sediments that contain one or more valuable minerals, typically metals that can be mined, treated and sold at a profit. In the slide you can see some of the minerals: copper, graphite, potash. मिनरल्स यानी मादनियात, इनको ज़मीन से खोद कर निकाला जाता है और प्रॉफिट पर बेचा जाता है. Ore is the extracted from the earth. A metal bearing mineral or rock or a native metal that can be mined at a profit. Native metal क्या चीज़ होती है? Any metal that is found pure in its metallic form in nature. Secondary industries, yani second industry. We can also call it manufacturing industries. These process raw materials produced by primary industries or other sources to make finished products. Secondary industries involves the transformation of raw or intermediate materials into goods. Example, manufacturing steel into car or textile into clothing. What is textile here? Textile, any cloth or good produced by weaving, knitting or fitting. Textiles, cars, cement, processed food, paper, chemicals and pharmaceuticals, transport and communications, petroleum and oil refining, and the cooking oil and ghee. Industries are manufacturing industries. These are the secondary industries. These things are manufactured in secondary industries. Yes, what is raw material? रॉ मटेरियल क्या है? जो असली हालत में चीज़ मिलती है वो रॉ मटेरियल होती है. द बेसिक मटेरियल फ्रॉम विच अ प्रोडक्ट इज मेड. दे आर इन their natural state. Example, grains, vegetables, honey, wood, meat, minerals, crude oil, etc. Processed raw materials क्या होते हैं? रॉ मटेरियल्स को फिनिश गुड्स में चेंज किया जाता है, यानी पैकिंग और सब चीज़ें, ठीक है. मटेरियल प्रोसेसिंग is defined as the series of steps or unit operation used in the manufacture of raw materials into finished goods. You can see यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं चीज़ें तैयार हुई हुई हैं, अब इसको पैकिंग के मरहले में लेके जाया जाएगा. What are finished products? Finished goods are goods that have completed the manufacturing process but have not yet been sold or distributed to the end user. Finished goods are goods that have completed required manufacturing process and are ready to be fitted or mixed or processed with final products. ये देखें, आप देख सकते हैं सब रेडी हैं, पैकिंग है, ठीक है, और अभी ये लोगों तक पहुंचाए जाएंगे, यानी बाजार में बेचे जाएंगे और उस वक्त लोग जो है वो उसको खरीदेंगे, मतलब बिल्कुल फाइनल हालत में है, ठीक है. What is tertiary industry? Means third type of industry, or we can say service industries. These include professionals like chartered accountants, doctors, nurses, bankers, lawyers. In the picture you can see people. These are engineers, nurses and doctors. Let's see another slide. Teachers are also in this category, engineers and many more, to provide services in exchange of money. जैसे हम टीचर हैं, हम पढ़ाते हैं स्कूल में, तो हम जब पढ़ाते हैं तो उसके बदले में हमें सैलरी मिलती है, ठीक है. Yes student, importance of industry. इंडस्ट्री हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है? The heading is provide employment to the people. Industry provide employment to people of all education levels and skills. Number 2, standard of living. The standard of living improves because of the availability of employment and manufactured goods. सनतें और हर तालीमी सतह और महारत के लोगों को रोज़गार फराहम करती है. नंबर 2, रोज़गार और तैयार करदा सामान की दस्तयाबी की वजह से मेयार ज़िंदगी बेहतर होता है. जब चीज़ें आपको बाज़ार से मिलेंगी तो आपका मेयार ज़िंदगी बेहतर होगा. अगर कोई चीज़ नहीं मिलेगी तो फिर आप हर जगह मारे ढूंढ रहे होते हैं कि ये चीज़ नहीं है, ये चीज़ नहीं है. तो इसलिए इंडस्ट्रीज़ हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. एक तो लोगों को रोज़गार मिलता है और लोगों की चीज़ें ज़रूरत पूरी हो जाती है इसकी वजह से. नंबर 3, डिपेंड्स लेस ऑन इम्पोर्ट्स. Country depend less on imports. Surplus goods can be exported, which brings money into the country. अभी नेक्स्ट में आपको सरप्लस के बारे में बताऊंगी. सरप्लस क्या चीज़ है? मुल्क दरामदात पर कम डिपेंड करता है. दरामदात यानी दूसरे मुल्कों से चीज़ें मंगवाई जाती हैं, तो उस पर कम से कम डिपेंड करेगा जब हमारे मुल्क में अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज मौजूद होंगी. नंबर 4, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. Natural resources are not wasted, they are turned into profitable ventures. कुदरती वसाइल ज़ाया नहीं होते हैं, वो मुनाफा बख्श मंसूबों में बदल गए हैं. किसकी वजह से? Just because of the industries. Number 5, technology. New technology and the enterprise in constantly introduced and upgraded. Expertise. Number 5, new technology and expertise is constantly introduced and upgraded. नई टेक्नोलॉजी जो है मुसलसल जो है वो इंट्रोड्यूस कराई जा रही हैं और अपग्रेड की जाती हैं. Yes, student, we read surplus in the previous slides. So let's see what is surplus. An amount of something left over when requirements have been met. An excess of production of surplus. The amount that goes beyond what is needed or requirement, an extra amount. उसको क्या कहते हैं? That is called surplus. Comparison between industries and agriculture. Industries और agriculture यानी ज़रात और industries यानी सनतें, इनके दरमियान में ख़ास एक मेन जो है वो comparison हम पढ़ते हैं क्या है. Industries is focused more on refining and processing raw materials into products for sale. And agriculture is focused on the working of soil and other facilities to produce crops, animals and trees for human consumption or further refinement into products. Student, industries depend on agriculture. An industry is a group of companies that are related based on their primary business activities. And agriculture is the science and art of cultivating plants and livestock. It was a key of development. Student, it's time for your homework. Question number 1, what is an industry? Number 2, explain how many types of industries are there. Only 2 in 2 to 3 lines, okay? Question number 3, discuss why industries are important. क्यों ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए? Student, there is a note for you all. Do all the homework given to you from the first lesson till the present one in your social studies copy. You have to buy a copy from the school and do all the work, neat and clean. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework and activities. Thank you, students. Thanks for listening. Stay home, stay safe.